Welcome back to another video. In this video, we will see most of the openings is for experienced coders. Only few openings is for freshers. So here the first opening is from MedMatrix. So this is for experienced coders only, not for freshers. IP drug and ED proof, ED outpatient, inpatient and denial coder. These all are the specialties we have, and this is for Chennai location. Only work from home opportunity and should have minimum 1 year of experience is mandatory, and any one certification is also mandatory like CPC, CIC, CCS, and we are available between Monday to Friday, and the access they are offering salary with the benefits. If you are interested, share your CV to this email ID or to this WhatsApp number and mention your specialty as well. Subject line as the coder Chennai, and mention your specialty and certification experience. In the body of the loop, you can mention your experience details, and in the subject line mention medical coder, your specialty, location. And location is only Chennai, so you can mention that. So this is one opening from MedMatrix. So here is another opening from Access Healthcare, hiring for Chennai, Coimbatore, Mumbai. Both work from home and work from office opportunities are there. 1+ years of experience is mandatory. Only full-time opportunity they are looking for. Openings immediate joiners preferred. Notice period, any notice period can be acceptable. SDS coders work from home opportunity, and SDS coders for Chennai both work from office and work from home available. SDS QC for Chennai location, work from office only. Daniel Koda, work from home and office. Both are available for Coimbatore, Pune and Mumbai locations. Radiation oncology, work from office. EM inpatient outpatient office. And ED facility, Chennai, Coimbatore, Pune, work from home also available. And once you read these all related specialities and those all, if you are eligible for those positions, so directly you can share your CV to this WhatsApp number, and they are asking to share these all details: name, contact number, company experiences, certifications, take home salary, and how much you are expecting now, and certification numbers, notice period, and active bond, you have bond with your company or not, and email ID. So this is another email ID. So this is one opening from Access Healthcare. So here is another opening from First Source. They are hiring for EM, outpatient and inpatient, only CPC certified freshers. Minimum 1 year experience is mandatory. Walk-in from 18th of February to 20 February, 3 days. For Coimbatore location, walk-in. Kirtiga HR. So these all are the details they have given, like EM. CPC certification or CSC certification is mandatory. Chennai and Coimbatore location. Interested candidates, drop your updated resume to below email ID. So here is the email ID, and these all are the requirements, roles and responsibilities. Disclaimer. Once you read this and share your CV to this email ID. Or directly you can go for walk-in for here. When they have mentioned address, directly you can go for interview if you are eligible for this position. So this is one opening. Another opening from AGS Healthcare for medical coder and auditor. This is also for EM inpatient and outpatient, but the location they are looking for only Chennai location, and two openings they have for coder, IP drug coder and EM outpatient, and for auditor IP drug coder are mandatory. Opening only certified coder and auditor. Immediate joiners are preferred. This is the job description they have given. Once pause the video, if you are eligible, you can check out that. And they are looking for only certified CPC, CIC, COC, CCS. Any one certification is mandatory. Minimum 12 months of experience is mandatory on those specialties. Interview mode will be virtual only. So it's one of best opportunity. And Lochana HR, if you are interested for this position, directly you can mail her. This is one opening from AGS Healthcare. So this is another opening from Coro Health. They are also hiring for ED facility and ED inpatient for Bangalore location. Minimum 2+ years of experience is mandatory in those specialities, and any one certification is mandatory, whether it is CPC or CCS. Salary as per market and work from office only. So here it is the Anusha HR details, and you can WhatsApp her also if you are looking for Bangalore location. So this is one opening from Corolla. So this is another HR details for First Source EM CPC certified opening. Here is another opening for experienced recorders. So same for EM outpatient, and 3 to 5 years experience is mandatory. This is a remote opportunity, only immediate preferred. Multi-speciality also they are hiring. So this is one from Health Connect. Here is another opening from this is for freshers, US Healthcare, Hyderabad location. Freshers and experienced coders can also apply. RCM voice process, Hyderabad location. These all are the details they have given. Once pause the video and read all those details. Lensoft, the client is different. Graduation in any stream, BA, BCom also preferred. 1 to 3 years experience if you have added advantage. Another opening from Sagility Healthcare. They are hiring for freshers with a minimum of 3 months experience, and they have not mentioned whether the role details and everything, but they have mentioned they are looking for a minimum 6 months of experience. So I'm not sure about this opening. If anyone freshers looking for voice process, so role international voice process, directly you can mail them. They will call you for the interview. Ascent to Global hiring for freshers, trainee medical coder, Nagpur IT location, day shift, eligibility BSc Nursing, BPharm, MPharm, BDS. Only above branches candidates are eligible. If you are interested, share your CV to below mentioned email ID. Sai Shed, HR. CPC is not preferred if you have added advantage. Another opening from Codivity hiring for EM specialty, HCSL, Coimbatore, team lead and manager position. If anyone interested, mail your CV to Abdul Rahman HR. So this is about today video. If you found this video is helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.